Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about how valuable it is to be an objective observer in the market, being an objective observer as a trader, which means when you start your day, you get ready for your analysis. Doesn't matter which session or sessions you trade, but when you start your day, you want to be objectively observing the market in a sense of having no intention, no expectation, no desire to trade. Being objective in a sense of letting the market come to you instead of chasing the market. Letting the setups, letting the trades come to you instead of chasing the trades. If you only execute a trade when it's an edge setup, when it's an optimal A+ setup, then trading will be seamless. If you keep it as simple as that, you have a take profit at a realistic level, you have a stop loss that protects the idea, you set a trade, and you forget the trade. You go on with your day. There's only two options. It's either going to be a stop loss, which will be managed well because of your risk management, or you have your take profit, which will end the trade in a profit. That's all that can happen. If you have a system in place, learn to get satisfaction from following that system, following your plan. Don't look for satisfaction and profits in getting profitable, getting funded, but get your satisfaction from your daily habits, your consistent routine of following your plan, being objective, being a professional trader. If you only trade when the market literally tells you this is your edge, you have no reason not to enter. And that is the product of having objectively observed the market. Then you simply don't have a reason not to take the trade. Then the trade makes sense. If you only take trades that make sense, that align completely with your plan, it's really as simple as that. Let me tell you this. When you place a trade, before you enter the trade, ask yourself, is this my edge? Do I have no reason not to enter this trade? Did I objectively observe the market, or did I mix intention, want, and desire into the process? If you ask these three questions before entering every trade, and all three answers are yes, then I will truthfully tell you that it's harder to fail your funded challenge, or it's harder to be unprofitable than to be profitable, than to pass the challenge. If you keep the system as clear and as simple as this, and you hold yourself accountable, you journal, you improve, you filter trades, you become more and more selective, you will see that what I've just said is the truth. One last thing for this video. Please just don't put too much attention towards getting funded. Oh, when I will be funded, I will buy all these things. I will quit this, or I will stop working a 9-to-5 job, or I will travel here and I will make all these expenses when I'm profitable, when I pass the challenge. But by thinking this way, you are actually sabotaging yourself. Because if you just don't put any attention or energy towards the results, towards the profits, towards the certificates to show to other people, if you just put your attention clearly down to the process, to the things we have discussed in this video, the profits, the results will follow automatically, and they will keep coming in, and you won't be paying attention to the profits because you know that the clarity, the quality, the peace lies in the process, and enjoying being disciplined, enjoying keeping it simple, cutting out all distractions. That's where the value lies. This was all for today. Stay aware, stay objective, stay disciplined.